Welcome back. You're watching WION World is One. I'm Shivan Chan. Now let's start with the headlines. Five top Lashkar and Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists were killed in India's Operation Sindoor against terror hubs in Pakistan's Muridke and Bahawalpur, including two brother-in-laws of Jaish chief Masood Azhar. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds crucial meeting with the three service chiefs at his official residence in Delhi. Lok Kalyan Mark, Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan and Defence Minister of India Rajnath Singh also attended the meet. Amid failed attempts by the Pakistani army to hit civilian infrastructure with drones and missiles in Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, NIT Srinagar students have been asked to go back to their home states. Authorities provide them buses. Indian Army releases a video of fire assault on terrorist launchpads in Pakistan across the line of control, where terror attacks against India were planned and executed. At a joint press conference, India's defence forces have said that Pakistan is moving its troops to forward areas. India says armed forces alert and ready. India admits bases attacked by Pakistan, debunks claims of heavy damage and equipment which has suffered certain amount of damage at Air Force bases in Udhampur, Bhuj, Pathankot and Adhampur.